Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now today we're going to do a short video on this boom mat hardtop sound deadening material. Now this boom mat material is thermal and acoustic control for the interior of your JL Wrangler if you do have a factory hardtop. Now what we've got laid out on the table here is their gray version of the boom mat kit, and this includes everything that you need to get it installed on your Jeep Wrangler JL 2018 to present. Now this is only going to work if you have a hardtop and is really going to help insulate the inside of your Jeep and reduce the decibel output from the outside of the vehicle. Now according to Boom Mat's website, this is actually going to reduce the outside noise up to 3 to 4 decibels, which might not seem like a lot, but actually does reduce a lot of road noise from the top. They're also constructed out of a nice CNC cut foam that is durable and completely designed to fit right onto your JL, not have to make any modifications at all. Now I've got the gray color in front of me here. It is also available in other colors, including black, if you're not looking to get an accent color like we have here on the table, but this is a really nice color if you do want to go with this option. Now all of it is constructed out of 1/2-inch foam, as you can see here, and then backed with a nice adhesive that simply sticks onto the hardtop after you clean it off with a little bit of alcohol. The front freedom panel sections are constructed actually out of a 1-inch thick foam, and that's going to be even thicker for up there for you and your front passenger. What's nice about these kits is that in the winter you can really keep the heat inside of your Jeep, and in the summer it really keeps that air conditioning inside. Basically it's just blocking all the outside weather. Putting these all throughout your hardtop really transforms that fiberglass hardtop and turn it into something that is a lot more comfortable and a lot more visually appealing on the inside. This has everything from your front panels, your intermediate panels, and the rear panels on the roof, also your window surrounds, and all the miscellaneous pieces, including the center section, for you to really be able to get a complete look on the inside of your Jeep. I used to run these on my 2012 JK Wrangler, and I gotta tell you guys, there was one time I looked out my window while it was snowing, and you could actually see the sections of the hardtop that were completely melted and had no snow on them, and it was exactly where these foam panels were. So they really do work, and I gotta tell you guys, I'm gonna get a set for my Jeep Gladiator behind me, and we're gonna show you how to do a full install video on these. This is just a quick overview on why you might wanna consider these for your JL, especially if you just bought it. We are going into the winter season right now, and you wanna keep some of that warmth in there and reduce the road noise. Definitely check out this boom mat kit. If you guys want to check these out, be sure to visit cjponyparts.com, where you can see a wide variety of all of our boom mat selection. Check out all the different colors and read the full specifications. I hope you guys like this video, and if you want to see anything else different on product overviews, be sure to drop a comment below. We love to read them. Until next time guys, stay safe, stay home, and I'll see you out on the trails.